Hello viewers. Uh, First and foremost, let me take this opportunity to thank you all for crossing 100 subscribers on my channel. I am really grateful to all of you all for having subscribed, liked the channel, and seeing my videos. It keeps me inspired to keep doing what I'm doing. Now for what we are doing in today's video is a recommendation that I had from one of my viewers. They wanted to know how I pack my shower steamers. Well, the last shower steamer I made was relaxing lavender. So it's been almost 48 hours since I made that, and I have those shower steamers here. I will show you all how I pack those, so you all can see how I pack it to take it to the market. So let's go to the video. So I have everything laid out here, what I use for my packing. The basic thing I use for my packing is something like this. So this is the packet I pack it in. It's a food grade, so it's transparent from one side and it has a silver thing on the other. This is a plain one. I have another one which is a one that can self-stand, something like this. Something like this. So the thing was, I normally use this, but when I tried Amazon, they didn't have these, so I got these for when these get over. So you can use any, it doesn't really matter. I got these from Amazon. It's from a company called Mylar Bag Set. It comes with these bags, and it comes with some packet of silica gel, which also I put with my shower steamers. If you want the measurement for these bags are almost 8 inches by 5.5 inches. They're almost 8, almost there. By 5.5. In these I put 2 shower steamers in each bag. So each bag holds 2 of these size shower steamers. And people normally ask me, how long does the shower steamers last in the shower? Well, I normally tell them it depends on the amount of water that falls on this. So if you don't keep it in direct stream of water, just let the water drizzle on it and let it melt and let the steam come. It lasts me 2 showers, 15-minute each shower. So I take 15-minute showers, and each of these lasts me for 2 showers. Now for the labeling, what I use are these. I get these labels from online labels.com. I get the plain ones, and whatever I put on this, I do it at home on my computer and I print it on a laser printer. So this one label has my logo, the name of the shower steamer, all my details in it. And this other label, so I put 2 labels at the back, and the other label has my ingredients, there is a warning and there is a recommended usage. So these are the two labels. As I said, these bags, they come with silica gel, but just in case you don't have them, I also bought the silica gel. This is also from Amazon. I put the silica gel so that there is no moisture left, because it can activate, moisture can activate these, and I don't want that to happen. So it's also recommended, if you're shipping it, that you seal it. So I don't seal it because I take it to the market, and there are many a times that it's too windy at the market, these fall and they crack. So some of them, when they break, I just open the bag, remove the one that is broken and replace it with another shower steamer. But if you're shipping it, you can seal it, and you can use something like this. This is a hand pressing sealing machine. I got this also from Amazon. I normally use this when I am packing my soaps. I use shrink wrap, so I seal it with these, and I use a hot gun to shrink wrap the soap. So I'll show you how I pack one packet of the shower steamer. So first I put in the labels, because once I put in the shower steamers, you know, the labels will not stick properly. So first I put the labels. Just so, one on top, one down. One silica gel, and so there's one silica gel, one shower steamer, second shower steamer, and these have these are resealable. So that's it. That's all that I do. But if you want, as I said, you can use this sealing machine and just do it on top. So you have a notch here which your customer can just pull and open and remove. So that's how I package my shower steamers. Well, that's for the packaging. Do let me know if you have any more questions, if you want to know anything else, if you want to see any other videos like these, I can do that. Please do subscribe, keep liking the videos, hit the like button for that, and if you need notifications of when I post the next video, click the bell icon. And that's it for this one. See you all in the next. Bye bye.